sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just jumping right into my detangling video. Normally I don't use a detangler, but my hair was super dry, and I mean that in the sense like it was dry as in there was no water in it, and it was also dry as far as it needed a little bit more TLC than normal. So I went ahead and sprayed the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and yogurt leave-in in there. If you want to see a review on the video, I will go ahead and link it below because I did a full review on that line. But anyways, back to what I'm doing now. I parted my hair in four, actually like not four even quadrants, but I parted my hair in fours. Basically I part down the center, I section that side off, and then I part the other half into then two halves, and then I take that back half and part it in half. Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Are we all here? We're all here. All right, so I'm spraying a little bit more of the leave-in, and again, normally I do this on naked hair, so fresh out the shower, but my hair needed a little bit of TLC, and I know a lot of you guys love to use leave-ins to help detangle your hair, so I figured I will put one of the leave-ins that work really well for me. So if you notice, I am starting at the bottom and I kind of just go down the remainder of my hair. So I start at the ends and then I work my way up, and that's pretty much standard the way people detangle their hair. But what you'll start to notice is once I get majority of the tangles out, I then go to my roots and I start detangling, and I kind of push the tangles down, not so much pull, more like gently push them down to the ends of my hair. So you can see I'm thoroughly making sure my hair is detangled from the root, again pushing them down, and then once I get them all gathered at the end, like all the tangles gathered at the end, I then will detangle from my very ends and work my way up to kind of mid/end of my hair shaft, if that makes sense. I feel like what I am showing you is better than the description I'm giving you, so perdóname, lo siento, my bad. You know, I'm hoping what I'm showing you makes more sense. So it is literally that easy, and I kept this in real time so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, but I'm gonna speed it up, and then towards the end of the video I'm gonna give you one more look of how I detangled the front of my hair in real time, and I actually timed it for you when I start my second quadrant of hair. All right.
Going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Woo. I'm going mainstream. So I'm going mainstream. Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Oh man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing.
Alright, so one more again, you guys. I'm going in with the detangler, and I'm going to start at the ends of my hair, work the tangles pretty much down to the bottom until I get about a little bit higher than mid shaft of my hair, and then I'm going to then start at the roots, kind of push those down to the ends, and then detangle from the bottom up once more. So yeah.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Guys, that is it. Usually it takes me 10 minutes to do my entire head, but you know, I'm going a little bit slower so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing. But yeah, that's it. I detangled my hair in under 10 minutes, and this was on 2-week-old hair. So I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.